With hurricane season right around the corner, some lawmakers are concerned thousands of Floridians could run into trouble when it comes to buying property insurance. Rates are getting high and more companies are dropping out of Florida. 10 Tampa Bay's Angelina Salcido walks us through why this is happening.
Tucked into St. Pete's old southeast neighborhood,
I love my home.
is Pete Olivares' dream home.
It was an ugly duckling. I had to do a lot of work. All the landscaping that you see here, I essentially did all myself.
Like many homeowners in the state, he's had property insurance for years.
I've seen increases, 200, 150, etc., which were reasonable.
But in the last two, that increase has more than doubled.
Last year, my insurance, without changing any coverage and without ever having had a claim, jumped $1,500. This year, when the renewal came up, it was going to go up another $1,500. And that's when I said, I've got to shop this around.
Pete is just one of thousands in the state dealing with the very same thing, many of them being priced out of their neighborhoods. So we reached out to Florida's insurance consumer advocate, Tasha Carter, to find out why. She gives us 4 key reasons and a sharper insight. The first are still insurance claims outstanding from hurricanes Michael and Irma. The second, rates for reinsurance, which is what's used to help insurers pay for big claims, increase 54% statewide. The third, pending litigation against insurance companies increased 266% over the last 8 years. And last up, insurance fraud that continues to plague the state and is pushing the price consumers pay up. So that's why lawmakers are pushing for action right now.
We are in the perfect storm of a property insurance collapse, and the legislature or the governor are going to have to call a special session. And if they're not willing to do that, then I'm going to.
Senator Jeff Brandes, based in St. Petersburg, says the state is in crisis. Governor DeSantis says lowering property insurance rates could be tackled in an upcoming special session to redraw the state's voting districts. But if not, he wants something passed by the end of the year.
I think at the latest it will be when Speaker Renner takes over. I think right after the election they will punch it through.
Meanwhile, Senator Brandes says that won't fly.
Too long. I think you've got to act now. I think you have to act before July 1.
Homeowners like Pete just hope relief in the market comes fast.
We need to stop talking about it and do something about it.